Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, welcome. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I am giving you all a sneak peek of the new McCalls Summer Pattern Collection 2023, okay? That was a lot to say. The collection will be shipping to stores July 7th. It's not live yet, but before it's shipped to stores, it always goes live on simplicity.com first. So if you want to be the first to get these patterns in your hand, definitely make sure that you are following simplicity.com. Go ahead and sign up for their email list. That way you can get the alerts first and you can head on over and shop. So again, these patterns will ship to stores on the 7th. You all know how the stores do, okay? They may put them out August, okay? Let's just be honest. So if you want to get them first, definitely make sure that you are following simplicity.com. I'm really excited about this collection. I did take a little sneak peek, and I can say that there are some good ones in here that you all are going to want to grab. So go ahead and grab your notepad, your pen, and let's start taking down some numbers. First up, these are out of order too. I'm just going to throw it out there. First up is McCall's 8414. This is a men's pattern. I'm here for it. Absolutely here for this. This is a men's knit shirt and shorts pattern. This can be made out of stretch knit fabrics. French terry, velour is available in sizes 34 through 52. This is a nice one. I love the contrasting too. View B looks like it just has like a half zipper, but view A unzips all the way. So with the right fabric, this can be fantastic for swim and outdoor swimwear. I love that. So again, this is a men's pattern, McCall's 8414. Next up in the new collection is McCall's 8412. I love this. I think this is so cute. This is a women's bodysuit, robe, shorts, and pants pattern. Now this one here is available in the women's sizes from 20W through 38W. It's also available in misses sizes, pattern number 8411. This one is available in sizes 4 through 20. So if you like these styles, definitely check out the size range to make sure that you're getting the size that you need for your body. But I love this. I love this bodysuit. I love the robe. Again, the fabrics for this is for stretch knits, but I definitely can see this for swimwear as well as for everyday wear, depending on the type of fabric that you use. You can definitely make this bodysuit, pair it with some jeans, and then pair the robe with it. It's a lot of possibilities. You can go swim or you can go every day, and I love that. I love that. So again, this pattern is McCall's 8411. McCall's 8412, same styles, just in different sizes. So again, make sure that you are picking the right pattern for the size that you need. Next up, we have McCall's 8421, giving one for the nurses here. What I like about this is that I notice it is for knits. Usually when I see scrubs, it's for woven fabric, so this pattern is giving you a little bit of comfort. This is a Mrs. Knit scrub top, pants, jogger, and cap pattern. So again, I think this is really nice. Like I said, I usually see scrubs in woven fabrics, but this one is in knit. So yeah, if you are in the healthcare industry or maybe your job just requires scrub. I know a lot of jobs have scrubs as the uniforms. Definitely check this out, McCall's 8421. Next up, we have another men's pattern. This is McCall's 8415. Very nice classic pattern. This is a men's lined vest, shirts, tie, and bow tie pattern. You have both tie options here. Again, the vest is lined. You have a short sleeve shirt, long sleeve shirt. Really nice. I think this is a great staple pattern if you like to sew menswear, or if you are a male and you like to sew for yourself. This is your style and vibe. Definitely check out McCall's 8415. Next up is a pattern that I know you're going to write down on your notepad that I told you to get at the beginning. I told you to grab it, okay? Don't say I didn't tell you. You're going to want to write down McCall's 8408. It's so good. It's so good, okay? I love it. Do you all see the contrasting here? Yeah, it's, yes. I don't have any other words except for yes. It's so good. I absolutely love this. You can make it out of chino, cotton blends, denim twill. It is a Mrs. Shorts and Pants pattern. This is available in sizes 6 through 24. I love this. View B is amazing. I love how they use the denim It's great. I love this. Okay, next pattern here is McCall's 8406. I love this. I love this. I love the variations of the hemline, which this is a missus dress with sleeve and hemline variations. I love the hemline variations. I love the sleeves on view B. That's my favorite. Absolutely love it. You can make this out of challis, crepes, as well as stable knits. So that's fun to know. So if you have a nice weight, a nice ponte or a double knit that you like, you can make that out of this pattern here. This is available in sizes 6 through 24. I love this one. View B is my favorite. I love those sleeves. Very nice. Next up here is McCall's 8401. If you love vintage styles, get ready for a 50s vintage reproduction pattern here. I think this is really nice. This is a missus dress. Again, this is a vintage pattern. So if you love wearing vintage or sewing vintage or just collecting, if you don't have the original, maybe you can't find it on eBay, this is your next best option here. What I love about these vintage patterns, in case you did not know, inside the vintage patterns, you have the authentic, like the cutting layout. So yeah, if you can't find the original, like on eBay, again, this is your next best option because you do have the original instructions. So yeah, again, if you love vintage styles, definitely check out McCall's 8401. Next up in the new summer collection comes from designer Brandy Joan. This is a really cute bodysuit and top pattern. It's a knit bodysuit and top. I love this. I love all the seam lines on the pattern, and the back has a really low cut, like a square in the back. So I think that's a really great detail. Again, this is McCall's 8407. Next up from Brandy Joan is McCall's 8410. This is really cute. This is a missus shirt and mini skirt pattern. You can make this out of chambray, cotton blends, linen, and twill, and it's available in sizes 8 through 26. So this is a really cute pattern. I love this for summer. And looking at this, I think both of these pieces can definitely transition into fall. You can put some tights on up under the skirt with some boots. And then the shirt, you can definitely button that up, pair it with some jeans. So these two are great. I can definitely see possibilities to take you through seasons with this pattern. Again, this is McCall's 8410. Next up in the new summer McCalls collection are some costume patterns. This is McCall's 8423. This is a men's costume, and this is a missus costume, 8424. So if you love to make costumes, or even if you like to look at them to see how you can, use them for everyday wear, definitely check these two out: new costumes, patterns, and the summer collection. Next up in the new collection is McCall's 8402. This is a vintage 60s reproduction. Yes, I love this. This is missus dresses in 2 lengths, and you have your choice of 3 necklines. Okay, options. I like that. That's really nice. So this is a great pattern here. Fabric options on the back are denim, linen. You can make it in printed cottons as well as terry cloth. So you have some great options here. Again, this is McCall's 8402. Next up, I love this. I love this pattern. I think it's fantastic. Okay, both of these are the same styles, but it's available in 2 size ranges. You have your missus here in McCall's 8403, and then you have your extended size range for women's here from a 20W up to a 38W in McCall's 8404. I love this dress. I think this dress is so perfect for summer. I love the sleeve options that you have. This is a women's dress with sleeve and length variations. You can make it out of cotton blends, linen, poplin, as well as stable knits. So that's awesome. Again, this one here for the missus is available in sizes 4 through 20. And again, the women's is available in sizes 20W through 38W. I love this pattern. I think it's so perfect. It's a perfect pattern for summer, especially if you love the midriff and the cutouts. I think this is really great. So definitely check these patterns out here if you're looking for a nice summer dress. This is McCall's 8403, McCall's 8404. Next up, we have McCall's 8405. This one is so good. Like, view C is beautiful. All of the stitching, the top stitching, the seam lines. I love it. It's my first time looking at this pattern. It was up under the pile. I'm like, wait a minute. View C is it. She's nice. I probably will make her. She's really nice. I like that. Okay, this is a missus dress with sleeve and length variations. You can make this out of cotton blends, gingham, linen, as well as poplin. It's available in size 8 through 26. This is beautiful. I love the sleeve options that they have on this pattern. So this is definitely going to be a winner for summer. Again, this is McCall's 8405. The last pattern in the new McCall's summer collection is McCall's 8413. And not me having the same fabric on my dress form back there that's on the model. Yes. This one here is a Mrs. Caftan in 2 lengths. So I really do love that. I love the detailing with the ruching along the front. You can make this out of challis, crepe, as well as stable knits. These are going to be some great dresses to transition with into the cooler months, but we're not there yet. It's just now really picking up with the heat. So, but just keep that in the back of your head. Just put a pin in it. For the size, in this pattern is available in sizes 8 through 26. And I think this is fantastic. I love this. Perfect for summer. Just lounging around the house, going out to run errands. I mean, this is so versatile. You can pair it with some heels the same way that she did. You can do some contrasting just like the model. I love this one here. Well, all right, friends, that is all for the new McCall's Summer 2023 pattern collection. It is not live on the website just yet, but definitely stay tuned. It will be going live probably within the next week or so. Like I said, it definitely goes live before they start to ship to stores, and they will be shipping to stores on July 7th. So I am really, really excited about this collection. Y'all let me know down in the comment section which ones you liked, which ones you wrote down on your notepad. Let me know below, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.